A basic dragon sled you could put together for about 20 bucks. First main part obviously is the tire. You get this shit for free, right? The next component is an eye screw, a 10-foot length of chain, a small carabiner, a tow strap, and then another large carabiner. Now this will probably cost you a couple dollars extra, so maybe more like 25 bucks, but we have this on hand. All right, so you take the chain and you double it over and hook it through your eye screw. You screw the eye screw into the tire. You might want to put a washer on the back of it. We have it and it hasn't pulled out, so it should be fine. But if you want the added security, you can do that. The tire, we can lay plates on top of it to add added resistance. But even because it's a tire, just pulling it on blacktop will give you a nice pump. Sleds are great for extra volume. They're also great for like recovery work. So if you just want to get out and like walk for 10 minutes or across your parking lot for however many like predetermined steps or feet or whatever the fuck you feel like that day, it's great like recovery work. So the first exercise we're going to show you is your standard just forward drag. So you take your tow strap, hook the looped ends through the carabiner. Okay, and we're going to take it and put it around our waist. Okay, so your hips pressing against it. Okay, so now that you got like see how it's taut? All right, so now we're going to take a step, and when we step, we want to dig our heels in, right? So that's really going to pull with your hamstring and glute. Okay, pulling and pulling. Right? Walk forward, walk, however many times you want to go. Heels. If you want more hip, you want wider, pull like this. If you want more hamstring, just keep like a normal narrow base. And again, just digging with your heels, digging with your heels. Try to keep your chest up as much as possible. If your upper back's weak, you can hold a medicine ball too. That'll make you like arch against it while you're pulling. Okay, exercise number 2, backward sled drag. So now we've just stepped into our toe strap like normal, but now it's resting against like the top of our ass / small of your back. Okay, again, like the chain is taut, and you just walk back, press off your, kind of roll your feet like this. Right? And this shit will fucking blow your quads up. Like, even like with only a plate, like this kicks my ass. So it's a great variation. I would advocate like leaning more on the forward drags than this, because most people have stronger quads than they do like backsides. But for somebody who doesn't do a lot of quad work, doing this once or twice a week, it's keeping my knees healthy and whatnot. And it's again, it's great conditioning, it's great extra volume. Like even doing this right now, I'm getting a fucking pump in my quad. Strongman variation on it that would get you some grip for you too would be to take like a short handle and attach it to this instead. So yeah, if you want to get your grip a little bit involved on this too, like work on training your deadlift more. And again, same thing, it's going to blow your quads up. This will teach you to lean back a little more. It's grip training. you some upper back in there also. Another one you could do for hips. This strap might work better for this one because then you can kind of like lean it through your legs more instead of getting these like a little short. But the premise is still the same. So now you can go between your legs more and get a long range of motion. That's another great variation to kick the shit out of your hips. Now that we've got this configuration going, we're going to show you some upper body. Probably the biggest one that we like to do with this is a row. So again, you take the same backwards position. Now we're going to turn our lats on and row. I like to get a little twist with it, but you could have just like a normal neutral grip. You could keep just a normal overhand grip. The point is that you're getting extra lat work, which like fucking everybody needs, right? Next ones, you can do the, if you want some extra tricep work, just take the handles right here, press. It's just like doing like an overhead extension. If you wanted to get some biceps, you can curl. If you want to work on your pecs, which I don't do a whole lot because I bench press really wide, so my pecs get hit pretty hard just from the presses. But if you wanted extra, you could go just do like a fly. And there's other shit you could do, like sideways, like lunge type deals with the sled. You could do shoulders. Pretty much you're limited by your imagination. It's a really versatile tool. It's cheap and it'll help you get into shape. It's cardio and weights all combined.